siyabonga kakhulu kule nguva konamhla ngiva ngiyajabula because lokho lesikwendako namhla kutawukhombisa ukuthi nani ngothishela niyaphila nani you deserve something good ngisho noma senihamba ni deserve a send off lene respect lene dignity lokho ngiyivuna lenza sengibe ngakini nami nginayo le task lokuthi you need to really to be taken seriously i-profession yenu ayinakeke ngicela uxolisa ke president ukuthi laba be-TSC quite nesisebenzako nabo now to pass i-TSC ngabe senyandumala so bize ukuthi pass nalo chairman ngiyagcolisela president uningi lesiplana siyazama kwa correcta lama ills lakhona yokucala nje na speed kulamalanga na teacher service commission kulabo labane degree labafundisa primary sinaba laba kuma contracts labanye they are close to retirement but they are still on contract. Those are the issues lengibhizi ngato cabinet but ngicabanga ukuthi kungaba kuhle REO I will share maybe with the leadership the intended paper that I'll be tabling to cabinet trying to correct leto tinto leto ngiyabonga lokuthi icabinet ithi angihambe ngilethele ipaper kuze kunoletho silungisa kanjani ngiyayibonga isupport lengiyitholako ecabinet ngiphinde ngokuthi ngibonge ukuthi angene editor kule libadla le transformation kungabe ukuthi product leningayadi ngibatshelile ke laba be task team bengajabuli kahle ngathi asebahambe baye nakuthishela to get contributions ukuthi how are we taking the education sector forward so emalokana na noma submissions bengiyabona ukuthi atabamcwa kakhulu because at the end of the day lento lena yenu nase implementwa ifuna vele implementeke kahle and ngiyajabula ke nanga roll out president lokuthi siyakula kuma AS nakuma A levels I will try my level best ukuthi ibe well financed noma naqala khuluma lokuthi sangena ku CPE wabethe the necessary tools loku implementeke umsebenzile ke examination council ukuthi labo bothishela labo batawudala mangisi atotrainwa ngiyacela ngithenga emehlo enu la ngithi lenzaba yabo teachers on contract siyayisebenza na ungabuka nje kahle siya converter gradually ngiyafisa lokuthi nami ngisinangiphuma lapha eTiko ngishiye ilegacy ngiyabonga ke REO ngicane emshayela intandla uyangibambisa kurishi azange ngiyenda le pedagogy na le nanguma officials ayangibambisa ayang-advisor because into nangabe lenye awuyadi kahle it's important ukuthola i-advice ngakhona kuphumelela it's important tusebenzisane nabo labantu labalagcini kwakho uzokuthi utothuwa lokho implementako kungabe kuba questionable bengithi ngidawuthumela REO sengiyeva ukuthi kunebantu basemanzini sawo manje ke ngingazali ngilibala lokune ke mabhalani lokumthuka kune headquarters lesemanzini sawo yakuthishela nale burial isemanzini sawo uthi ke lo mthetho la ngabe kune business yakho lapha it's not only ukuthi ufuna uhlala emanzini sawo leyo business iyakwenda lokuthi uyavote emanzini sawo ngiyacela ke mabhalane ukuthi it's not only the people that are around manzini uthishela abaningi labane property by the virtue of the headquarters singabe sike sinwaya inhloko ke nga-2028 programs programs president uyawubona ukuthi asasemanzi ndayishiya kimi lokuthi ngibuya njani ka education njenje ntangithi bese ke nami ngiyakhona lokubuya ka education ndabese ngiyayisebenza kalula. I'm very impressed ngaphandle nje okudlala ngale insurance phose nakuhamba nje thishela yathi kuye kube buhlungu but yanisha le ntandla ngithi congratulations. Nami ngeke ngafihla the whole world must know ukuthi ke ku cabinet ngilokucala ukujoyina. Angifuni kulingisa Nicodemus lo wahamba ebusuku ngifuna kuwena nje broad daylight ukuthi ngingibinizwa ka education I need to support teachers onke ema programs abo so kulala amanye ema project engidibala nawo bosithi council ngabe ukuthi khona ingcinamba ngidacela lokuthi ningithinze sibambisana lokunye ke ma consultation lela ngena khona awathi president ngicabanga ukuthi nina ubanika kathi believe banalenye narrative ngani and I was so shocked lokho lento leyayisi ngidawucela ke lokhu noba bangakubhala it's fine ngidawucela vele lokuthi lemisebenzi lemihle yendlu yobuthisha banika kathi believe ufuna bawayibusisa leyo msebenzi I will really facilitate that ukuthi nakuthiwa kamazini lemisebenzi utokhomba ngalisa ukuthi nani ningemaswati nani nibenkosi so ngiyacela ukuthi nako lokho utaba ngcwako le statement ngiyayithatha utafuna ukuthi nayo nite into ngibekela kahle ndokhona kuyifaka nase cabinet njengoba nje ngifaka tonke lezi ndzaba leti cabinet nayo le utafuna siyincusele ngidacela ukuthi i-executive yakhe isikhathi ifike siyikhulume siyibone lokuthi silekelela kanjani ngeke ngaba mthe kakhulu but nje kafishane I'm available I'm there ukuthi ngivakale lokuthi ngihambisana kanye nani noma lokwangihlupha kakhulu lokuthi iwe force yabotishela asubekise nje ngibekise president u contract ude ine we are not pensionable uhlala empty lamanye ama workers kuyenteka inkulu if I may ask ngihambile ngabheka kwaboshiselweni bomangayana kumangayana nje community shela wathi uhlala eMaliadu on contract ubuka le mali eholako and ugibela ibhasi every day ya commute usala nani at the end of the day kinza batabo pension ngophana le pension nakacetha ke kude la takuthure the end of the day and the thing lethu sine lamcondzeli wethu sicabanga ukuthi nabaya labavimbelo akusibo it's us politicians nithi mina sikushije lokho including yourselves as taxpayers lokho ngikusemeni bakhuthata naba bo lord asibuye sihlale ngiphansi sinathe tiya sikhulume kahle le because nangabe uyi-taxpayer nawe benefita ngokuthi ukhipha i-tax and nabe yatifuna letinto letithi le tax ikhishwa nguwe kodwa phela phansi with government of the day and the only way nosukwende lokho uthi hlabe phansi si engagement and ke kafishane president lena nginika kubona ngene office ndanikombisa lama ticks on the box because nangethe nathi ngakhala ngalo solo nginako etinto leto kusasa achieve kanjani etinto sithi achieve ngokuthi sahlala phansi nakhala ngama contract ngakhala etintenta ku C3 C5 that document nyalo ni raise issue statement ufuna pheze ngibuye ngiphendule Kita ipet bro ukuthi fare anivezi ngihlonipho. Info le very important. Letinye info uyathi utiluza ngekuthi mhlambe mina me former unionist. Elabanye benu bacabanga ukuthi ngakubhali ke lokho. Bacabanga ukuthi oweni weba ebhange and was dismissed. Ngahamba ebhange ukuthi I was a unionist and the narrative yaba ukuthi ugamile. And I patiently raised these issues with the courts. And I won the case. Bengake man. It was just victimization my union. But if you raise an inhlonipho those issues. So ngicela kusidandena. Ya president asibe ne patient kahle. Itawuhamba nje kahle izifike kahle egcineni. So ngicela nje lokuthi sibe nako lokubeketelana ditawugcina ude into leba permanent. Ude issue leba permanent. Nami nje kwasho hawu vele phelile ngaowena. But you are patient. Resilience, persevere. You know your rights. You'll be at the end of the day you'll triumph. So mna bengacela nje lokuthi konke lokhu tonke letinto asibhedela kahle siyifake lembili enhlonipho. Because akase singasafaki nale enhlonipho. Letinto letinye bola usibedinga into ekade resolve. Resolve because sekude kahle lenhlonipho. So siyacela nje lokuthi sibeketala neni kepha nakafishana ngadeli lento lamuhla. Ngi-invite lokuthi na i-launch and ngidawupota nalembili. Ngidawupota naku cabinet ukuthi bothishela sebenze into lenhle. Ufuna ke na uhulumende njoba asho president phela akhombise appreciate akhombise ukusekela njengoba nje kwenteka besonikhala nje ngabo category A category B nalapho khona kwenta uhulumende. So nalapho bothishela akubonakale phela ukuthi one I'm not over promising but I'll raise it ukuthi phela nalinayidzinga i-proper medical aid. Ngiyajabula nje sengibona namzwali ngishale intandla uyakhombisa lokuthi nakasebenta waba neplan elinyalo akasakhona ihola but he looks fresh ngokuthini waplana wakhombisa nanyalo uraise ama issues ukuthi yini thini ngazathi ngesikhetharation lo because naye uyadi kusikhola sakhe sengigcina ke bothishela I'll do my part, I'll do my best ukuthi tindzabadenu ngidilale noma bangathi hey msakuya lapha ninga education I have to listen to you. I have to come with responses. But Teachers Day noma ngabe kuyini atawuphuma ema resources from government. Ukuthi tonke letito leto nakuta laba benu laba benangu exit nabe noma nani niyahamba bosathi your games. Ngicela nite etiko. Sitoniki assistance. Nyalo ngiyacela ukuthi nyalo siya Teachers Day. Teachers Day asimende abe better. Singabuyele emuva emagbalana. Asimende abe ngcono kakhulu. Lokho kutawenda babone lokuthi wona minister bengakhona lapho thishela kusho vele bantu. Because nyalo if the minister is not there nobody from government is there. What's our lento lena? Hey, staff bono work pay ban we Teachers Day. Ngasingena eoffice ngasinangiva lokuthi utabo Teachers Day baye ba celebrate ngathi ke nginike idiko nendatshana bathi hayi minister kungazuthi akusilofu yini wathi awusilo futhi kanjani noma phela konke lokunye kukhona bo what day ngathi lele bengikhuluma nako ekibo manje senda njani yana hayi bathi hawo avele kuthi asiphothi taba khona support ngathi mina kahle there's something wrong here ngabita la besingisi balani ngitshele bothishela ukuthi go free uyateachers day induna nayo itabi khona nama officials ku-teachers day ngiyabonga lokuthi kwahamba kahle emnanyalo ngitawucela lokuthi i-executive ide ibonana ne-management ukuthi how can we plan it better njengoba kwenteka kuletinye tinhlangothi tabo kuba khona government lakufaka so naleli tabo umsebenzi ngicela ukuthi i-executive ihambe iyoplana ngicela i-executive ihambe iyoplana kanye nema-officials ukuthi this time nayo i-cabinet ithi ngibona ivusela ikakhulu DPM so siyathemba ke ukuthi lonke i-cabinet ijabulile yathi kunivusele kakhulu siyathemba ukuthi in our next big day utaba khona e-DPM